If you've ever thought about writing a book but kept putting it off, you're not alone. Most people have ideas, but turning those ideas into an actual book, that's where things get stuck. So I tried out a tool called First Book AI, and the whole idea is pretty simple. It helps you go from an idea in your head to a full book draft in a very short time. When you first open it, it doesn't just ask you to start writing. Instead, it walks you through a few questions. Things like your topic, your audience, and what you want the book to be about. Based on your answers, it builds a full outline for you. And honestly, that part alone is helpful. Because for most people, the hardest part is knowing what to write next. Once the outline is ready, the tool takes it further and turns it into a full manuscript. Chapter by chapter, it builds out your book into something that actually looks complete. And yes, it can do this in hours instead of weeks or months. Now, I'll be real with you. This doesn't mean you're getting a perfect book instantly. You still need to review it, edit it, and make it sound like you. But as a starting point, it saves a huge amount of time. One thing I liked is how guided the whole process feels. You're not just staring at a blank page. It feels more like you have someone walking you through each step, which makes the whole thing less stressful. You can also export your book in different formats and even use it for things like self-publishing or building your personal brand. So overall, First Book AI feels like a shortcut, but not a magic button. It's great for getting your ideas out fast and turning them into something real, especially if you've been stuck for a long time. If you've been thinking about writing a book but never started, this kind of tool can actually push you to finally get it done.